In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create job alerts on LinkedIn. If you're actively searching for a new role, job alerts can save you a lot of time. Instead of checking LinkedIn manually every day, you can set things up so the platform helps bring relevant opportunities to your attention. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can manage your job alert settings quickly and easily. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main feed page. This is the home area you usually see after signing in, where updates, posts, and network activity appear. Starting from the feed is helpful because it gives you a clear point of entry into the rest of LinkedIn's navigation. Once you're on the feed, look toward the top navigation menu and click on Jobs. This will take you into LinkedIn's job search section, where you can browse openings, track applications, and manage settings related to your job hunt. If you're using a smaller screen or mobile layout, the exact placement may look a little different, but the job section will still be clearly labeled. After you arrive in the jobs area, find and click on Preferences. This section is where LinkedIn keeps your job-related settings and customization options. Think of it as the control panel for how LinkedIn supports your search. If you want a more tailored experience, this is an important place to become familiar with. Inside Preferences, click on Job Alerts. This is where you can view and manage the alerts connected to your job search activity. Job alerts are useful because they help you stay informed when positions matching your interests become available. Rather than starting from scratch each time you visit the platform, you can let LinkedIn do some of the monitoring for you. Once you've opened the Job Alerts area, you'll be in the right place to review your alert settings and keep them organized. A good tip here is to make sure your job preferences on LinkedIn are accurate and up to date, since that can influence how useful your alerts are. The more aligned your settings are with the kind of work you want, the more relevant your notifications are likely to be. And that's it. You've now seen how to get from the LinkedIn feed to the job alerts section through the Jobs tab and Preferences menu. It's a simple process, but it can make a real difference in keeping your job search more consistent and efficient.